Alright, let's talk lenses today. These two eBay lenses have one foot in the grave. I want to decide which one I want to keep and which one I want to take apart. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have here. We have Canon EF 35 to 80, 4 to 5.6. 4, that's really slow. The problems that I have with this lens right now, it has a crack right here in this thing that's right above the zoom. The autofocus doesn't work. It makes a nasty sound. Actually, I get an error when I use it. So I'm going to try to cleaning the contacts, the gold contacts on there, see if that helps out, and then we'll make a decision after that. So the other lens that I have is the Sigma 24 to 70. So I have a 35 to 80 and 24 to 70. I really like the wide angle on this lens. I really like the sharpness on this lens. I like the feel of this lens. It's nice and weighty. I don't like the fact that the motor on the autofocus ring does not work, and you'll hear what it sounds like in just a second. So let's do this head to head. All right, so on the camera right now I have the Canon lens, a 35 to 80. It's a macro lens. That's another good thing about it. We're gonna test it out, see what kind of pictures it takes real quickly. I was shooting manual, and I'm just gonna take a picture of my lovely camera over there, right across from me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And look at that. So I get that error, that wonderful error. Now, so that looks clean to me. Let it dry off. Put it back on. See if that helps. 3, 2. And no, not over there right now. Fortunately, almost by default, it almost looks like I'm going to take this this lens is going to be taken apart. So let's go ahead and try the Sigma lens. I'm going to show you what that sounds like on camera. Alright, here we go. Now back into manual focus. 4.0. Quick picture. You're going to hear what the autofocus sounds like. Not a good time. Alright, let's see. Turn on. So, with that head-to-head now finished, since we got a picture out of this lens, all that's left to do is take that one apart. That is cool. I'm gonna take a couple pictures. Alright, so if you look in there, that gold part right there, that's where these tongs like to communicate with the lens and the camera. So on the other side, you'll have the contacts, and if you ask me, those contacts are pretty worn out on the inside. So that might have been the demise of this. What caused the demise of this? Let's take a look. Alright, so I think I got it now. Just kind of pull and wiggle. So I got everything out. I'm upset that I didn't get that on camera, but I just wiggled this out. These two pieces were holding it in. Wiggled this out past it, and the whole motherboard came out. So there is the inside of a camera lens. The motor for the lens moves the lens element in up and down. Here's the computer for the lens. It tells it what to do from the camera, and this is the actual lens element. There's also a lens element on the end of here. There's a lens element at this end as well. So there you go. See on the other side of this, that's where your gold contacts are. This is the board, and that's where the information is. There are two lens elements on this one. There's one on this side and one on this side. And there may be even one on the inside there somewhere too. Alright, that doesn't come apart. This doesn't come apart anymore either. And that's it. That's all I'm going to get into. So all of this stuff, I don't even know. I'm sure this metal plate comes out. Alright, so the remains of this lens are now headed towards a trash heap. I would like to hear what some of you think I should do with this lens, with what's left of this lens, or what I could do with it. I don't know, I'm just interested to see. I know some of you are probably really mad at me. Why would you, and why couldn't you, and you should have, and why didn't you, but, oh, whatever. It cost me probably about $10, shipping included. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I want to hear what you got to say, and leave them in the comment section down below. Please subscribe.